Hey guys, this is not e-bike. Well, I mean it is e-bike related. Anybody who does use a standard bicycle or a long bike as an e-bike, this relates to you if you're looking for cheap pads. I got 4 sets for $18, and that's next day shipping, which was kind of cool. There's the different models it works with. I just got to knock off brakes. The ones I have on my e-bike now are just knockoffs, but they work pretty good. And I'm using baby oil as a loop, like as fluid. It's been like that over a year, and they still work. But as you can see, they are pretty good. Packing is nice. They put a piece of foam in there. They don't look half bad actually. Like I obviously got the copper flake through it, like my last ones did. Not the same brand though. And the packaging was half decent. At least they put foam in there to protect it from getting beat up. But we'll see how well they work. No guarantee. I'll do a follow-up on them if there's any issues. Installing them is pretty straightforward. So I'm not going to do a video on that. That'd be kind of lame. But you know, if you're looking for cheap pads, that's actually a pretty good deal. It's worth checking out if you use the brand. Later, guys.